our view of the universe has changed forever. On one side, astronomers insist they are just anomalous comets. On the other, some of the world's most renowned scientists ask, could we be facing extraterrestrial motherships? This is the debate that the object 3I/Atlas has forced upon humanity. This visitor, which formed before our own sun, is larger, faster, and infinitely stranger than anything we have ever seen. The 3I/Atlas has a metallic composition that defies nature. It has a reverse tail. It has defied physics, and most disturbing of all, it stopped in space for days before resuming its course. Are we observing a 7-billion-year-old cosmic relic or a disguised alien technology? Stay with us as we dive into the enigma that may finally give us proof that we are not alone. The story of 3I/Atlas began on the fringes of our solar system. On July 1, 2025, the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS, spotted a faint, yet unmistakable object. Its official designation, 3I, immediately classifies it as the third interstellar object ever recorded by humanity, following in the footsteps of Oumuamua and Borisov. Its origin is the first great mystery. ATLAS was not born in our solar system. It has a hyperbolic trajectory, meaning it came from outside and, after passing our star, will depart into the eternal darkness. Astronomers, through orbital models, estimate this celestial body to be between 5 to 7 billion years old. Put that into perspective. This object is a relic, a sphere of ice and metal from a star system that formed and died before our own Sunday. It is a cosmic time capsule, a fragment of an unimaginable past, silently navigating the void for ages. Its speed is another challenge. Traveling at a staggering 220,000 kilometers per hour, 137,000 miles per hour, it moves much faster than the vast majority of comets native to our system. This extreme velocity suggests a violent ejection from its parent star, or, as the more controversial side of science suggests, an intentional propulsion. The 3I/Atlas has forced scientists to tie themselves in knots of certainty. It has simply defied all laws of physics and the known anomalies. The first sign that it was no ordinary rock was in its tail. When a comet approaches the sun, the tail of gas and dust is pushed back by solar winds. The tail of Atlas, however, was observed at times as inverse, pointing forward toward the sun. Although there are natural explanations for the anti-tail, the combination of this feature with other mysterious traits has elevated the debate. Was it an optical phenomenon or a protective structure? The composition is even more shocking. While most comets are made of dirty ice, Atlas, according to spectral studies, is exceptionally rich in metals, notably nickel. Speculative sources, based on the density anomaly, risk the figure of 95% pure nickel. This metallic purity, this structure, is something that nature does not produce in comets. For such a composition, the material would have to have been forged in an extreme compression process, which strengthens the hypothesis of an industrial origin. The nucleus of Atlas is imposing. Recent estimates, based on observations from the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, place its diameter at about 11.2 kilometers, 7 miles, making it the largest interstellar object ever recorded. But what truly shook the world of astronomy was its movement. While on its high-speed trajectory, the most shocking anomaly emerged. Atlas stopped. Observation reports indicated that the object simply froze in space for 4 long days and then resumed its extreme velocity. Natural objects do not do this. A comet cannot simply turn off its acceleration and then turn it back on. This implies an extreme non-gravitational acceleration, a change of course that completely defies celestial mechanics. Was it a deceleration mechanism, a reorientation, an intentional pause for observation? Atlas is the successor to 1I/Oumuamua, the first interstellar object, which also exhibited unexplained acceleration and raised the hypothesis of being a probe. If Oumuamua was small, Atlas is infinitely more massive, and its anomalies are more dramatic. And this leads us to the big question that divides scientists, astronomers, and the sky-watching public. In your opinion, are these objects, 3I/Atlas and Oumuamua, anomalous comets, just natural phenomena taken to the extreme, or are we, in fact, observing the technology of a much more advanced civilization? Are they extraterrestrial motherships, or just fragments of ice and metal? Leave your opinion in the comments. Faced with such a mysterious and large object, it is inevitable that the internet and social media bring up the oldest cosmic fear, Planet X, or Nibiru. While science is unanimous in stating that Nibiru, as a myth, does not exist, the appearance of a large, fast, and anomalous object like Atlas, coming from outside our system, ignites the spark of fear. And fear has a point of contact with reality. The 3I/Atlas, although it poses no collision threat, it passed at a safe distance of 270 million kilometers, 168 million miles, from Earth in December, presents a danger of another nature, electromagnetism. The original source text itself points to the concern in the digital environment about a possible blackout. Why? Due to its massive composition and the presence of metals like nickel, Atlas is potentially an extremely electromagnetic body. A rock or object of this size, when approaching Earth's magnetic field, has the capacity to emit electromagnetic pulses that could interfere with our communications, networks, and satellites. Depending on the intensity, this could indeed cause a short-term blackout, leaving large areas without power for hours or even days. The anomaly is not just astronomical. It is a real, though manageable, threat to our technological infrastructure. It is testing our capacity to react. The 3I/Atlas gave us a show of anomalies, but it may just be the herald, the messenger. The most frightening thing, the icing on the cake of mystery, is what may be coming next. Unconfirmed reports, but widely debated in ufology communities, suggest that Atlas is only the third in a line of objects. On the same path, on the same route, another object is allegedly coming. This body is not just bigger, but, according to these unconfirmed reports, it is 100 times larger than 3I/Atlas. Imagine the perplexity. If Atlas, with its 11 kilometers and its anomalies, has already turned our knowledge of the cosmos upside down and raised the hypothesis of alien technology, what is an object 100 times more massive? Could it be the true Planet X? Could it be a mothership? Could it be the main body that Oumuamua and Atlas, the smaller probes, were merely preceding? Could it be the final and undeniable proof that we are being observed? The 3I/Atlas is proof that something immense is on its way, and it is coming from a place that formed before our own star. The universe is much stranger, and perhaps more populated, than science allows us to admit. The enigma of the 3I/Atlas is a vivid reminder that there are mysteries in the cosmos that challenge our understanding. If you were intrigued, shocked, or even terrified by this cosmic traveler, show your support. Leave your like so this video reaches more explorers. Share it with anyone you know who loves the unknown. And, to stay one step ahead of science and mystery, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. We will continue monitoring the 3I/Atlas and revealing the truth about the object behind it. Until next time, and keep your eyes on the stars.